Ever wasted time opening images, PDFs, or documents one by one just to check what's inside? What if you could preview any file instantly with just one key on your keyboard? That's exactly what QuickLook does on Windows 11. It's a free lightweight app that lets you preview files instantly using the Spacebar key, just like macOS QuickLook. You can preview images, PDFs, videos, text files, Office documents, and many other file types without opening separate apps. To get started, open the Microsoft Store and search for QuickLook. Install the app and launch it once. After installation, the app runs quietly in the background from the system tray. Now open File Explorer and click on any file you want to preview. Instead of double-clicking the file, simply press the spacebar key. Instantly, a preview window will appear. You can quickly check photos, read PDFs, preview videos, or view documents without fully opening them. To close the preview, press the spacebar again. You can also use your mouse to scroll through documents or zoom into images directly inside the preview window. If you want to keep the preview visible while working in another app, click the pin icon to keep the window always on top. There's also a full screen option for viewing images, videos, and documents in a larger view. This app is especially useful for students, office users, editors, and anyone who works with lots of files every day. QuickLook is fast, simple, and can save a lot of time while browsing files on Windows 11. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, hidden apps, and tech tutorials.